Are you all able to hear me and see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so in the last class I've given you some problems, right? One problem I've given you. Hope all of you have finished it. So now I'll go to the next codes. Those are the special codes. Okay, so as I've already mentioned, one of the best scheme is bipolar signaling scheme. Okay, because in the bipolar signaling DC's component will be 0. Okay, so that is the reason bipolar signaling scheme is better. Okay, and to transmit that bipolar signaling scheme, the bandwidth required is also less. Okay, so this is what the advantage of bipolar signaling scheme. But okay, so let us draw the bipolar signaling scheme for the following binary data. Okay, can you people draw the bipolar NRZ signaling scheme for this? Bipolar signaling scheme for this. It is bipolar signaling scheme. Okay, so bipolar NRZ, how it will be? Bipolar. Okay, as the name implies, whenever you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in the bipolar signaling scheme, if you represent the first one with positive, the next alternate ones, the next ones, it should be the bipolar. In the sense, it should be the complement of the previous representation. Okay, so it means that the first one here, if I'm representing it with positive amplitude, then the next one should be represented with the negative amplitude. Okay, so here if you observe, positive and all zeros will be represented with 0. Okay, again I have a 1 here, so I'll have negative amplitude here, so I'll have negative amplitude. Again I have got all zeros, so it all zeros, the amplitude will be equal to 0, and again I have got the next one. Okay, so here this will be positive amplitude. Okay, so here what happens when you observe the signal? Okay, here you can see that when you are getting the sequence of zeros, the waveform is 0. Okay, and the amplitude of the waveform is 0. Okay, so if you give this kind of bipolar signaling scheme is used in the receiver, okay, what happens? See, when you are transmitting the signal, whatever the signal is transmitted at the transmitter, the same signal should be received at the receiver as well. Okay, so that will happen only when there is proper synchronization between the transmitter and the receiver. Okay, so when you use this bipolar signaling scheme, and if you have continuous zeros like this, then what happens there is, it will the clock, this will be used as a clock, right? So the synchronization at the receiver will not be proper, because when you're giving when the bit value is 0, it is completely no amplitude is there. Okay, so the disadvantage of this is when long sequence of zeros arises, then the synchronization at the receiver will be lost. Okay, that is the reason this is a disadvantage of this bipolar signaling scheme. Okay, I'll just repeat. So here what is happening, when I have got continuous zeros, what is happening, there is no signal at all. Okay, this 0 indicates there is no signal, right? So when this is used at the receiver, okay, when this is used at the receiver, what happens, the synchronization will be lost, because I don't have any signal only, so the receiver will not understand what is happening. So in order to avoid this, in order to give the proper synchronization, we have special kind of schemes. Okay, that special kind of schemes we'll see now. Okay, otherwise this is what the disadvantage of this bipolar and bipolar schemes. Okay, bipolar, it can be NRZ or RZ, whatever it might be, bipolar schemes. So for the bipolar schemes, if you have continuous sequence of zeros, the receiver synchronization will be lost. Okay, that is the main reason because of which we'll be not using this bipolar schemes. And to have the proper synchronization, we have special schemes known as the first one second, high density bipolar, which is said to be the HDB, and n also I'll represent, where this n can be 1, 2, 3, 4, how many, so on like that. All this are the integers. Okay, so HPDN. This is a special type of signaling scheme. High density bipolar signaling scheme. This is the first signaling scheme, and the next signaling scheme is binary with N0 substitution. N0 substitution. Okay, so binary with N0 substitution. These are the, in short, this is said to be BNZS. BNZS. Okay, this N can take some values. It can be either 3, 6 or 8. Okay, BNZS. Okay, these are the two special kind of signaling schemes. Okay, so here we need to study how this will be represented and how this will be represented. Okay, so the first one will go with HDBN. Okay, HDBN. Okay, in the exam also they may ask you write short notes on HBDN. Okay, or high density bipolar and signaling scheme. They may give like this, or HDB3. Okay, so this N value, when it is 3, this is a special kind of signaling scheme where this is mostly used scheme. Okay, so in detail about this HDB3 we'll be studying. In the sense, when you have continuous zeros, okay, how to represent the signal, that we'll see in HDB3 specifically. Okay, otherwise generally HDBN is a signaling scheme. Okay, hope you people are understanding. All of you are able to see my screen, right?
Sure.
Are you all understanding what I'm saying? I'm trying to say here. You have two different types of signaling schemes. Okay, these signaling schemes are mainly used because when you have continuous zeros, okay, what is happening? The zero value in the bipolar schemes, the zero value in the bipolar scheme will be represented with a 0. Okay, so that is the reason when you have continuous zeros, the clock recovery at the receiver is lost, and because of which the synchronization will be lost. Okay, so that to avoid this, we will be using the special signaling schemes known as high density bipolar signaling scheme, and the other one is binary with N0 substitution. This is the second signaling scheme. This is the first signaling scheme, and this is the second signaling scheme. Okay, so first we'll study HDBN. Okay, HDBN. Okay, so HDBN, and where N can be either 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. N where N belongs to the integers. Okay, positive integers, that too. Okay, so here what happens is, if I have, see, N, this N indicates number of zeros. What is happening? Are you all able to see, hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so if I have 1 0, what I have to do? If I have 2 zeros, what I have to do? If I have 3 zeros, what I have to do? If I have 4 zeros, what I have to do? Okay, this is what this n indicates. Okay, but we will not be studying all the schemes, but specifically we'll be studying HDB3. Okay, in HDB3 scheme, okay, what happens is if I have continuously n value will be 4 here. Okay, sorry, n value is 3, but the action will be taken when I have continuous 4 zeros. N value will be 3 here, but when I get 4 zeros simultaneously like this, let me take 1 2 3 4 1 0 1 0 0 0 like this, some sequence I've taken. Okay, so here if you observe, I have 4 continuous ones, sorry, 4 continuous zeros. Okay, when this kind of continuous 4 zeros appears or 4 bits of zeros appears, then we need to substitute this with a special code. Okay, so that special code will depend on some rules. Okay, so the first rule is case 1. I'll just take the case 1. See, are you understanding? I have 1 0 0 0. Okay, 4 zeros has appeared. When I get 4 zeros like this, these 4 zeros will be replaced with special code. Okay, it can be either 0 0 0 positive or plus 0 0 plus or 0 0 0 minus or minus 0 0 minus. Okay, so this plus indicates positive amplitude, minus indicates negative amplitude. Okay, but the substitution of this will depend on some factors. We need to consider some factors, and based on that factors we'll be substituting the sequence. This sequence will be substituted based on that cases. Okay, so take the tabular column. All of you note down the tabular column as well. Okay, so the first case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Okay, number of ones. Okay, previous bits in the sense before this sequence appears, okay, or before this sequence appears, how many ones are there? Okay, so previous bits. Second column, it is number of ones. The next column, it is previous bit polarity. Previous bit polarity. And what is the substitution? Special sequence. Okay, so the first case, let me consider I have odd number of ones. Okay, odd number of ones, and the previous bit 1, as you know, 1 will be represented with positive polarity or negative polarity, right? See, this is just the substitution for your alternative mask inversion, which is also said to be the bipolar schemes. Bipolar schemes or artificial mark inversion. Okay, so you will be following the same as your bipolar scheme, but only thing is when you get continuous zeros like this, what we'll do, we'll just substitute with the special sequence. How to determine that special sequence? It depends on the 4 cases. Okay, so first let us analyze that when I have odd number of ones. Okay, when I have odd number of ones, so and the previous previous bit polarity, when I get 1, I'll have the positive polarity or the negative polarity, right? So let me consider it is positive. Okay, if the previous bit polarity is positive, then the special sequence, whatever we have to take, it will be 0 0 plus. Okay, 0 0 plus. Okay, instead of 0 0 0 0, we need to substitute as 0 0 0 positive, in the sense like if the previous bit is positive, then this will also be positive. Okay, next, odd number of ones only I have, and the negative polarity I have for the previous bit. Okay, in that case, the substitution, the sequence that we need to substitute is 0 0 minus. Okay, if the previous bit is minus, then the continuous sequence that also should be minus. See, I'll just take one example and show you, but before that you can just note it down. Okay, then even number of ones. Okay, whatever I take, if I have even number of ones and the previous polarity is positive, then I'll have minus 0 0 minus. See, when I get even and if the previous bit polarity is positive, then I'll have minus 0 0 minus. Okay, next I have even and it is negative. Okay, the previous bit polarity is negative. Okay, then I have to take plus 0 0 plus. Okay, so this is how we'll be substituting the substituting in place of 4 zeros. Okay, are you understanding? What I'm trying to say here is clear. I'll just take one example. Maybe it will be more clear for you. Let me take one example now. Okay, I'll just take 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I want to. Okay. This interval should be equal. Okay, may not in my drawing it may not be equal, but it should be equal. All of you along with me, you also draw it. Okay, so this is a binary sequence which is given. Here we'll draw both. We'll draw both at AMI scheme, which is nothing but the bipolar scheme, and as well as the, see, first we'll write the AMI scheme. AMI scheme or bipolar scheme, both are same only. Okay, and then HDB3. HDB3 scheme. Both will try to plot for this. Okay, first AMI. AMI, let me start with the positive. So all zeros, it will be equal to 0. So no amplitude, 0 amplitude, and again I've got a 1. So it will be inverted. See, first I've started with positive, so it is inverted. Then again 0 0 0. No amplitude until 0, and again I've got a 1, so I'll have a positive signal here. Again 0, and I'll have a negative signal. Then all zeros, so no amplitude until here, and again this is negative, so my next bit will be positive. Okay, so this is for the alternative mark inversion, or which is also said to be the bipolar signaling schemes. Bipolar. Okay, so now we'll go with the HBD3. Okay, so let me start with the positive only. So positive, since I've got 1, I have represented with positive. Now if you observe, I have 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros I have. Okay, all of you are able to hear me, right? Whatever I am drawing now is very important. Okay, okay. So here I have got 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay, since I have got 4 zeros, this 4 zeros should be replaced with something. Should be replaced with something in this HDB3 scheme. Okay, so to select the scheme, what I need to do, I need to count what are the number of ones that is transmitted. So only one is odd number. So since only one odd number and the previous bit is also positive. Okay, see here I have represented with positive. So this 4 zeros can be replaced with 0 0 0 positive. Okay, since the previous bit is positive and the number of ones are odd, I can replace that with 0, 0, 0, positive. Okay, positive. Okay, then again I've got a 1, so it will follow the bipolar, so I'll have a negative. Okay, again if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, I have got 4 zeros and I've got 4 zeros, and you need to count the previous ones transmitted. 1, 2, 2. 2 is even number. Since I've got even number and the previous bit is represented with negative. Okay, even number and the previous bit is negative, so I need to replace it with plus 0, 0, plus. Okay, plus 0, 0, plus, in the sense I'll have plus 0, 0. 1 second. 0, 0. Oh, sorry. It's even, no? I have got even number of ones. Since it is even number of ones, I need to take plus 0, 0, plus. Okay, the first 0 is replaced with plus and then 0, 0, again plus. Okay, that's what this representation is. Okay, then again I've got a 1. So it will satisfy the bipolar rule. So previous one, it is positive, so it will take the negative. So again I have a 0, so it will be 0, and again I've got a 1. Check the given sequence. Okay, so I've got the 1, so it will be like this, positive. And now you observe, again I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 through 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Okay, and whenever I get 4 zeros, I need to check what are the previous ones transmitted. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the sense even number or odd number? 4 ones. 4 ones is even number or odd number? Even number, right? And what is the previous polarity? Positive. Since the previous polarity is positive and I have got even number of ones in previous polarity is positive, my representation by my special sequence is minus 0, 0, minus. Okay, so I have to replace this with minus 0, 0, minus. 1 second. Somewhere I missed the sequence. Wait. Next it is 0, then again 1. So positive. I've got positive here and I've got 4 zeros, and the number of ones that are transmitted is 1, 2, 3, 4, even number, and the previous polarity is positive. So I'll have minus 0, 0, minus. These 4 zeros will be replaced with minus 0, 0, minus. So minus 0, 0, minus. Minus 0, 0, minus. Okay, and again I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Okay, so for this also I need to replace. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and previous bits are again previous bits are again even number only. Okay, since I have got even number, the previous polarity is negative, I'll have plus 0, 0, plus. Okay, and finally this one will be like this. Okay. Is it clear? This is what the representation of HBD3. Okay, and in almost all the questions HBD3, either they'll give you to write short notes on that, or they may ask you to, they'll give you the sequence and they may ask you to represent the sequence. Is this clear? Anybody want me to repeat again somewhere? Anybody want me to repeat once again? Is it clear? Is the representation clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, since nobody is asking for my satisfaction, let me repeat this again. Okay, so I'll just erase this. Okay, or else I'll take some other example. Okay, let it be. I'll take some other example. Hope you people have noted it down, right? Have you all noted down the sequence? Sequence and the drawing everything? Have you all taken it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you other sequence. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This sequence. Okay, all of you try to draw the HBT3 for this. HDB3. Others, please try. Don't wait for me. You people can try on your own. I've taken some random sequence, okay? Can anybody tell me what do you mean by random? Can anybody tell me the meaning of random? There is a link for asking this. I'm not asking randomly. There is something related to this, so only I'm asking you. So can you tell me what do you mean by random? Normal meaning, normal English meaning of random. Normal English meaning of random. Anybody in the class can tell me. Srujan? Srujan? Srujan, are you there? I don't know why you people will go to hold. Srujan is not there today. Okay. Nagarjuna? Nagarjuna? Hitesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the meaning of random?
We cannot guess that, ma'am. Number.
Yeah, yes. Then why you not answering? No, when you know you can answer. No, do I need to call each and every person name like this? When you know something, you say whether it's wrong or right. Don't worry. Nobody is going to judge. No, even if you're going wrong, it's okay. Fine. Okay, fine. So HBT3. First I have a 0, so let it be 0. No amplitude. Okay, then 1. Let me start with the positive amplitude. Generally, as I've told you, we'll start with positive amplitude unless and until they mention you have to go with the negative. Okay, so next I have got 1, so it will be the negative amplitude. Okay, then I've got 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. This 4 zeros I need to replace it with something. Okay, in order to replace this, 4 zeros. No, in order to replace this 4 zeros with something, I need to count the previous number of ones transmitted. How many ones are transmitted? 1, 2. 2 is even number. Since it is even number, whenever you get even number, you will have some minus or plus here, 0, 0, minus or plus here. Okay, I'm just telling you how to remember also. Okay, so even, whenever you get even, then only you will have 2 positives or 2 negatives. 2 positives or 2 negatives like this, 0, 0, plus 0, 0 plus or minus 0, 0 minus. Okay, so whenever you're getting even number of ones transmitted before, then if the previous bit is negative, it will be this. If the previous bit is polarity is positive, then it will be like this. Okay, so here I have even number of ones, that is the first thing, and the previous polarity is negative. Since the previous polarity is negative, I have to replace with positive, 0, 0, positive. Okay, so positive, wait, same amplitude I have to draw, no? Positive, 0, 0, 0, 0, positive, sorry, positive, 0, 0, positive, 0, 0, positive. Okay, then again I've got a 1, so it has to obey the bipolar rule. So negative, again I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros I have got. And what are the bits transmitted? One, number of ones that are transmitted before this sequence appears. 1, 2, 3. 3 is odd number. Odd number, in the sense you have different rule. If I have odd number of ones, if the previous polarity is plus, then I will be replacing it with 0, 0, 0 plus only. If it is minus, then it will be replaced with 0, 0, 0 minus. Okay, that is how it goes. So here I have the previous polarity is 0, and I've got 4 zeros here. From here to here, 4 zeros. This I need to replace with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Same as before. Whatever previous polarity, the same thing. So minus here. Next, I've got a 1, so it has to obey the bipolar rule, so it is positive. Again 2 zeros, 2 zeros will be 0. 2 zeros will be 0 only. Okay, then again I've got a 1, so it will go to the negative. So then 0. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So again I need to count the previous number of ones. So how many ones I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 5 in the sense odd. Okay, odd. Whatever polarity it is having, it will take the same polarity, and it will be 0, 0, 0 minus. Since I have odd number of ones. Okay, 0, 0, 0 minus. This is a HDB3 scheme. Okay, so this is what this is mainly used. Mostly this scheme is used. Okay, anybody have any doubts in this? Anybody have doubts in this? Anybody have doubts in this? Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll go to the next scheme. I'll go to Srujan. Srujan Kumar. Srujan. He's not there. He just on it and went, I think so. Okay, fine. We'll go to the next scheme now. Okay. Next scheme is bipolar. Once again, sorry, binary with N0 substitution. It is BNZS, where N can be different values. So in this you have 3 different types. B8ZS, this is the first one, and the second one is B6ZS, and the third one is B3ZS. Okay, this is little different. Otherwise, in this and this, you have to just substitute the sequence. That's it. Okay. So this n indicates 8 zeros. Whenever you are getting continuous 8 zeros, that 8 zeros should be replaced with 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros, VB, 0, VB. Okay, 0, 0, 0, VB, 0, VB. Okay, I'll tell you what is V and what is B. Okay, V is nothing but it violates, in the sense, see, if the previous polarity is positive, it will be positive only. If the previous polarity is negative, it will be negative only. Bipolar, if V is positive, if the previous bit is positive, it will be, B will become negative. If the previous is positive, the next bit will be negative. That is what it means. Okay, V in the sense violates. Violates in the sense, see, when you have to, see, let me consider my previous bit is negative. So if I have to represent the next bit here, it should be represented with the positive, positive. But what happens here is it will violate that rule. It will represent the same, whatever previous one is there, it will be represented in the same way. Okay, bipolar. When it comes to the bipolar, it means that if I have a negative, I have to get a positive. If I have a positive, I should get a negative. Okay, if I have a positive, I should get a negative. Okay, so that is what this V and B indicates. Okay, so if V is 1, B will be -1. Okay, if V is, okay, I'll write in terms of positive, negative. Okay, if V is positive, B will be negative. If V is negative, B will be positive, and the value of this V depends on the previous polarity. Previous in the sense, before these zeros, I'll have some polarity, right? It may be either positive or negative. So if I have positive here, this will be positive. If I have a negative here, I'll have a negative here. Okay, that is what your B8ZS scheme. Okay. So whenever you have, you need to represent the given sequence with B8ZS, then you need to check for 8 zeros. Okay, this scheme is effective when you have 8 zeros. Okay, so that is what here B8ZS. Okay, now B6ZS. Okay, B6. This N indicates 6 here. Okay, when you have 6 zeros simultaneously. When you have 6 zeros simultaneously, then that 6 zeros will be replaced with 0 VB, 0 VB. Okay, this and this are almost same. If it is 8, you need to add 2 more zeros. I'm just telling you how to remember also, because these are the standards that you need to remember. Okay, so right here you have to remember. Okay, remember this. Okay, next, when it comes to B3ZS, this is little typical. Okay, little typical in the sense, if you have odd number of ones, it is not like, see, in the HBD3, what we did, we have, when we were representing for this, we have counted all the ones which are transmitted. But for B3ZS, we should not consider like that. We need to consider only before this 0, how many ones are transmitted. Okay, if it is odd number of ones, if you have odd number of ones, then you need to replace with, 1 second, let me write. If I have odd number of ones, then I need to represent with 0, 0, V. V in the sense violates, in the sense, if the previous bit is positive, this also will be positive. If the previous bit is negative, this also will be negative. Okay, positive. Once again, I want that draw symbol. Okay, previous bit is positive, this also will be positive. Previous bit is negative, this also will be negative. And I need to have odd number of ones. And it is not the total number of ones, it is just before this 0, 0, before this 0, 0, 0 appears. In place of this 0, 0, 0 only, we'll be substituting this 0, 0, V, right? Before this, how many ones are transmitted? Okay, so if odd number of ones are there, then you need to replace with 0, 0, V. If even number of ones are there, then you need to replace with BOV. Okay, BOV in the sense, B in the sense, if I have the previous polarity as positive, then this will obey the bipolar. So it will be negative. Okay, 0 and V violates. Violets in the sense whatever this B will get, the same thing this V also will get. Okay, that is what binary bipolar violets. This if you remember, then it's fine. Okay, all this you need to remember here. Okay, so this B3ZS can be replaced if whenever you get 3 zeros, you can replace it with 00V or BOV. This is for odd number of ones and this is for even number of ones. For this, these are fixed. These are fixed. Either the previous bits are odd, even, you don't mind. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? We'll draw the scheme now. Have you understood? Anybody has got any doubt? You can ask me. Otherwise, I'll just take some example and I'll just do it. Okay. So let me take take the sequence. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros I'll take. 1, 0, 0. Okay, this sequence I have taken. Let us draw for first one. What is that? B8ZS. Okay, B8ZS. First, let me draw for B8ZS. Anyway, I'll start with positive polarity. Second one, I will just represent it with negative. I have got a 0. So 0. Next, I have got 1 again. So it is positive. Now, if you observe, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. All this 8 zeros should be replaced with 0, 0, 0, VB, 0, VP. Okay, so first 3 zeros, it will be 0. V indicates violets. Violets in the sense previous one is positive, so this will also be positive. And then B is a bipolar. So I'll have, if this is V is positive, this will become negative. Okay, then again 0. V in the sense violets. Violets in the sense here I have negative, so here also I'll have negative. Next B is positive, bipolar. Okay, then I've got 2 zeros. Okay, 2 zeros in the sense just normal, like 0 voltage. Next 1 in the sense I've got 1, so bipolar, it has to obey the bipolar rule. So previous I have positive, so I'll get a negative here. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros here. 8 zeros. This 8 zeros should be replaced with 0, 0, 0, VB, 0, VP. Okay, so 3 zeros. I'll not have any amplitude. V in the sense violets. Previous is negative, so this will also be negative. Okay, next B in the sense bipolar, so I'll get positive. Next 0 in the sense no amplitude. V in the sense it violates, in the sense the previous is positive, so here also I'll have positive. And then B in the sense it will be bipolar, negative. Okay, then I've got 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1. 1, 1. So this will obey the rule. Positive here. Again I've got a 1, so negative here. And again 3 zeros, it will be 0. This is your B8ZS. Okay, this scheme is the binary with 8 zero substitution. Anybody have doubts here? Here you need not count the previous number of ones transmitted. Okay, nothing like that. Is it clear? Is it clear? Are you able to see it properly? Or whatever I am showing, is it clear? Is it visible properly for you? Because here I have not taken partition and like I have not fixed the slots like this, right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now you just draw for this. I'm giving you one sequence. 1, 0, 0, 0. 8 zeros you take. 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Next 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also you take 8 zeros. End 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. Everybody try this. Okay, so first one I'll take with positive. Okay, then I've got, you need to count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. So all this 8 zeros should be replaced with, 0, 0, 0, VB, 0, VB. Okay, so 0, 0, 3 zeros, no amplitude. Again here I've got V in the sense violates bipolar rule. Okay, it means that whatever I have before polarity, the signal will be with the same polarity. Okay, then again B in the sense binary, bipolar. So here I've got positive, so the next one will be negative. So 0, no amplitude. V in the sense violates. So whatever I have before, the same thing. B in the sense binary. Bipolar. So I'll get positive here. Okay, then 1 in the sense. See again, rest all how we were doing before, in the same way we need to do. So the previous one is positive, so this will be negative. Okay, then 0. I have a negative, so it will be positive. Previous polarity is negative, so positive. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. So 0, 0, 0, VB, 0, VB. Okay, so 3 zeros, no amplitude. V violates, so I'll have a positive pulse here. Then B bipolar, negative. So 0, no voltage. V violates, so negative. Then B is bipolar. B is bipolar. Okay, so positive. Okay, so this is the representation of B8ZS. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Okay, now I'll go with the next scheme. B6ZS. Okay, I'll take with 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 0, 0, 6, 12. First I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 zeros, and here I've taken 12 zeros. Okay, so I need to represent with B6ZS. So initially 0, so no amplitude. Okay, I'll just draw it a little closer so that it will be clear for you. Okay, so 0, no amplitude. 1, 1. Let me start with the positive. So here you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But B6ZS in the sense, whenever I get 6 zeros, I have to replace that 6 zeros with 0, 0 VB, 0 VP. This is what I need to replace. So first one is 0, no amplitude. Next to V violates. So previous one is positive, so this will also be positive. Next B bipolar, so it will be the reverse of the previous polarity. Then 0, so 0. Next to V violates, so minus B bipolar. Next I have 2 zeros, so those 2 zeros you can represent with only when you get 6 zeros continuously, then only this you need to replace that with this sequence. Okay, again I have 1, so the previous one is positive, so this will be negative. Okay, next I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 5 6, this 6 ones, 6 ones, this 6 ones I need to replace with 0 VB, 0 VP. So 0, first one is 0, so no amplitude. V in the sense violates whatever previous polarity, the same polarity. B, bipolar, so positive. 0, so 0. Next V, violates, so positive. B, bipolar, so negative. And again you count 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 more zeros I've got simultaneously. So again this should be replaced with 0 VB, 0 VP. So 0 V violates, in the sense previous polarity is negative, this will also be negative. B binary, bipolar, so positive. 0 0 V violates, positive. B negative. Okay, next I have 1, so it will be the reverse of previous one, so positive. Next one negative. Okay, this is how we represent using B6ZS scheme. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I'll go to the last one. As time is going to end, like I will just teach you this last one. One more topic is there, power spectral density, that we'll see tomorrow. Okay, that I'll start tomorrow. I thought actually these 4 topics whichever I'm doing now, it is the last topic of your syllabus. Okay, but I thought I will just teach you simultaneously so that you'll not forget this AMI. Okay, because they may ask you to draw AMI also and this also together. Okay. Draw. I want this. Okay, fine. So let me take the sequence as 0, 1. Okay, this sequence. Okay, so let me draw B3ZS. Okay, B3ZS. So odd number of ones. You need to check before the 3 zeros occurs, what are the number of ones transmitted. Okay, odd number of ones, then you need to replace with 00V. Even number of ones you need to replace with BOV. Okay, so first it is 0, so 0. Next I have 1, so let me take the positive polarity first. And if you observe, I have 1 2 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros. So since I have 3 zeros, I need to check what are the number of previous ones transmitted before this 3 zeros occurs. What are that? How many? 1. Okay, only 1. 1 is odd number, so I need to replace with 00V. So 00V. Okay, 00V in the sense 00V in the sense violates. So the previous polarity is positive, so I need to take positive only. Then I have a 0, so 0. Only when I get 3 zeros, I need to check for this. Next I have got a 1, so negative. Again I have one more 1, negative, positive polarity. Next again I have 3 zeros, 1 2 3 zeros. So check the previous ones that are transmitted before these zeros. How many? 1 2. 2 is even number. Even number, I need to replace this with BOV. B in the sense bipolar. So here I have positive, so this will become negative. Okay, then 0. Then again violates. Violates in the sense whatever I have previous, the same thing. Okay, so again I've got a 1. So bipolar, this will be positive. Again I have got a 1, so negative. Again I have got a 1, so positive. Again if you observe here, 1 2 3, 3 zeros I've got. So since I've got 3 zeros, I need to check previous number of ones. How many ones? 1 2 3, 3 ones I have. So since I have 3 is odd in the sense I need to replace with 00V. Okay, so 0, 0, V. V in the sense violets. Whatever previous polarity I have, the same polarity I need to use here also, positive. Again, I've got 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay, so before this, the number of ones are still odd only. Odd in the sense 3. 3 ones are transmitted. Still it is odd only, so I need to replace with 0, 0, V again. So 0, 0, V, violets in the sense previous bit is positive, so this will also be positive. Next I've got a 1. 1 in the sense negative. 0. Next again I've got a 1. So bipolar positive. Okay, so this is your B3Z scheme. Okay, hope it is clear to all of you. Is it clear to all of you? Anybody has got any doubts? Okay, fine. That's all for now. If anybody has doubts, you can ask me. Meanwhile, what you do, I'll just give you one sequence. For that sequence, you draw all the 4 formats. Take the sequence. All of you try to draw for this. Okay, this is a binary sequence. I want you to draw HDB3. Second one is B8ZS. Third one is B6ZS. And the fourth one is B3ZS. I want you to draw for all this. Okay. Just try this, and tomorrow you people can ask me if you have got any doubts. Okay, and that's all for now. Thank you everyone. Anybody have doubts, you can ask this. Thank you, ma. You can stay back and ask, otherwise you can leave.
Can you show the question?
Yeah, I'll show you the question. Sorry. Shreya, Sanjay.
Ma'am, you called out me.
Yeah. You finished noting it down? Shall I leave?
Yeah, ma'am.
Others, Monica, Nagarjuna M, Sanjay Kumar.
Ma'am, can I leave, ma'am?
Yeah. You can leave, ma. You can leave.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Bye.